Hi, in this video we will see how a simple but regularly updated blog can have a good following and a loyal subscriber base. Remember, the better number of subscribers we have, the better are the prospects of effectively monetizing the blog in near future. For our study, we will take an example of a blog being run and managed by an individual just like one of us. Lakshmi is from Bangalore, India, and she loves to travel and to share her experience with the world. And the best way to do is by blogging and keep updating everyone about her travel adventures. A blog is different from a website as it can be more frequently updated and modified without the need of any web developer or programmer. It is more like a diary or a scrapbook which can be updated anytime and from anywhere. Websites are generally more static in nature and are generally used for services or information that don't require frequent updates. Now, as Lakshmi is an avid traveler and wanted to share her experience with the online community on a regular basis, she decided to go for a blog rather than a website. And she found blogger.com as a perfect platform that can be used without any of the technical expertise or web designing knowledge. It is a very simple to use interface. If you know how to use email or Facebook, you can use blogger.com to make a blog. Now we will see how this blog is effectively being managed by Lakshmi. Now, as we have seen, a blog is made for the sole purpose of updating the things frequently and on a regular basis and stay connected with the followers of those blog. Now you can see over here followers. Some 1013 members are following this particular blog. They are finding the post on this particular blog interesting. Whenever a new post is being made on this blog, a notification goes to all these members. Now you can see over here a post has been made just today. Now we can go to older posts and we can see that she has been regularly updating this blog. If you are running a blog, it is very much essential to regularly update the same so that the people stay connected to your blog. Again, we can go over here. This is again a post over here. So this is how she has been regularly updating her blog with the information about the things that are happening around her and building a loyal subscriber base. Now whenever a new post is being made on this particular blog, the subscribers get notified about the same. They visit this blog, and this is how this particular blog is attracting recurring traffic, repeated visitors we can say. Also, she has been using social media optimization and other things to promote it via Twitter, Facebook. Now once a blog is done up properly and it is being regularly updated and it is also attracting a reasonably good amount of visitors or followers onto the same, we can go for the monetization options. You can see over here on this particular blog, AdSense ads are placed. Even if I go to a older post, I can see AdSense ads over here. So whenever a visitor comes onto this particular blog and he finds something interesting in these particular ads, so he will just simply visit the particular merchant who has placed this ad via Google AdSense, and Google will reward this blogger for redirecting a visitor from her blog to the merchant website. Now this blog is an ideal example for our study because it essentially has all the elements that are required to make a blog successful. The blog is being updated on a regular basis. A good follower base has been made. People can even write their comments over here on the posts that are made. monetization options are properly used, social media optimizations are properly used. You can see over here Twitter updates, and you can see other things like Facebook, Twitter. So effectively this is a very simple blog, but it is being managed professionally. So it can be taken as an ideal example for our study on how blogging can be used for our benefit and for monetization purpose. Before we finish, we would like to inform you that this blog has been randomly selected from Google search only for study purpose and to give you basic idea about blogging and monetization option. The blogger is not a member of ejobsjunction.com, and making an income out of blogging is not her profession. We request and believe that you will maintain her privacy.